What you gonna?
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is tobiokes and if you are returning, welcome back. It is me. So I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a bit stuffed. I'm a bit stuffy because this winter did not come to play. I'm going through it basically. Since I'm going through it, you know me, I always think of ideas. I want to show you how to do a makeup tutorial where you look good while going through it, and luckily people have turned this into a trend and it is called the I'm cold or cold girl makeup. So today I'll be showing you my version of the cold girl makeup, the I'm cold makeup. And yeah, before we dive into this video, I just want to make sure you guys have subscribed, make sure you guys like this video, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. Let's get into it and let's go. So of course I've already moisturized my face, and as you can tell I've moisturized my lips. For this look, eyebrows aren't really too important, so I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up like I always do. Like that. I don't know whether I'm gonna fill them in or not. I don't think so because I don't know, it's a look where you don't want to look like you have too much makeup on, but you can put a lot of makeup on because it's cold and you will not sweat your makeup off, which is the great thing about this. The focal point is more so the lips and the blush, so let's get there. I take LA Girl Pro Concealer in FAWN and I am just going to do my brows. I'm a girl that has to do her eyebrows first. I'm so sorry, I can't function if my eyebrows aren't done because my eyebrows make my looks all the time. The shape and size of my eyebrows depends on the person that I'm gonna be that day. And that is that. Next, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C14.5, and instead of chestnut, I'm going to use this to conceal the parts of my face that I want concealed, because this has more of a full coverage than the LA Girl Pro Concealer in chestnut. Just letting you guys know. Sometimes I go crazy because I can put as much as I want on. I'm looking a bit weird, but I'm moving quickly, which is kind of surprising for me. Maybe I'm missing steps, I don't know. No, you know what it is? It's because my eyebrows took literally like 2 seconds, which is why I shouldn't be filling them in sometimes. Then I take this random brush and I blend it all out. This brush is actually my everything. If I didn't have this brush, then my makeup would not be looking how I want it to look, you know? And that's that. Just recently I've started using the Michelot products in 108 Tan and 109 Mocha. Michelot's my new thing, my new go-to. I'm gonna do 2 pumps. I should have known. 2 pumps of 108, and I love it because you just make your own shades. I don't use a beauty blender or anything. I used to, but I find that the brush is easier for me, so I'm gonna use the brush. We're gonna get into it. I'm just gonna mix it on my hands and then put it on my face. Guys, maybe I should have used a bit darker. A match is a match, a win is a win. The next step is concealer. FAWN doesn't give me the coverage that I used to. Like, I don't know, I think it's because it's winter. So I use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Caramel, and I go in on these points. No, I don't. I contour my nose. Yeah, but I take the Revolution Pro. It's like this. I'm scared of this because it actually gets everywhere. I use this one. And then I just contour my nose from my eyebrow down to my thing, and I do it on the other side and get her done. Sometimes I don't like blending it out, so then I take the deep caramel and I conceal. I don't like using too much of this because it does what it needs to do. It does brighten. I think what I'm also going to do is put up that thing that shows where I put the makeup for you guys. In fact, don't screenshot yet. I also put some by my eye. Now you can. And then I blend that out as well. When I get to my nose area, I make sure to blend this part all the way down so it looks like I just don't have this nose area, so I can contour it in the way that I want to contour it, and yeah, do stuff like that. I'm gonna powder, but first I'm going to put on the blush like the I'm Cold girlies do. So it's like base blush before the powder that goes everywhere else. I can't find my blush. Guys, give me a few minutes. I'm gonna scream and then I'll get back to you guys. So after years of looking, I didn't find it. If you know me, you know I love a good compromise, and you know I love to oh, this has never happened. While I was searching for my blush that I couldn't find, I found a Revolution Pro palette. It's a Revolution Pro Regeneration Legendary, and if you know me, you know that I used my oranges and my pinks, so I can use these ones for blush. So I'm gonna take my blush brush and dip into those. I'm dipping into all three at the same time, and thankfully this is just underneath the powder, so oh, this is actually kind of cute. Okay. Ooh. And then we're just gonna put a bit underneath, like just here. Oh wow, that looks so cute. And we're gonna feather that out and bring it up to my cheeks a bit more. On this part, you can use a lot of it because we're gonna go in with concealer, so you won't be able to see it, and then we're gonna go over with other things. But yeah, wow. I'm going to use different ones. So for my eyes, I'm going to go in with the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. And then for underneath, I'm going to use Banana Deep with the Revolution Peach Scented Baking Powder. And I love it because it has this thing. So I just kind of just put a bit. This is how it looks. This is what I use to put it on. And then I blend it out with the other things. But yeah, I don't keep this in for long, so I don't know why I'm talking, but I blend that out like almost immediately. I should have. Look at that. You see why I do that? You see why? Like, this powder is so good. Makeup Revolution. This is why I can never go against Makeup Revolution. Like, they just get me. Okay, that's that. I look like a powder puff and I love it. Sometimes I take more more concealer to just brighten up the inner part, but I don't think I'm going to. Now it blends, see? That's why you need to blend under and blend over. When I'm cold, like, it shows on more here, so I'm just gonna blend it here too, and then my nose. And I also go in with Sweet Like a Peach from Makeup Revolution. I take the oranges and the peaches here because it's important to have a blending color that blends between the eye and the cheek. I learned that on TikTok, and it just makes it look so much better. You all know me, and y'all know I love a good liner. Haven't I come a long way though? Like, from the days where I used to suck. I take the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter. I haven't really used this one. I've only used it when I was doing the trying the new makeup products that I bought, so Enlightening Dust and Fire Crystal, and I'm just going to use these two. I think I'm just going to dip into them with my hands. This is Fire Crystal that I'm dipping into because I feel like, see, that actually looks cute and I don't really care too much. I'm just putting it anywhere. Oh, that's so cute. You don't need too much. If you wanted to like do the most of it, you could add gloss to it, or if you have like an eye gloss. I don't, because I don't do these looks all the time, but if you wanted to, add an eye gloss. And now time for the lips. I'm going to wipe my lips off and so I can get my lips back. I'm gonna let that marinate, let my lips do what they do. And while I do that, I'm gonna take what I forgot and I'm gonna put some on my lashes. And this look, you can, if you have some cute lashes, wear them to make yourself look like a doll and cute. But I'm going to be putting on half lashes, maybe, or my thin lashes. I'm gonna do my lashes off camera because yeah, and then I'll get to you. Okay, the lashes are on and they look cute as ever. I'm going to go in with some mascara on the bottom lash as well. I love this makeup look. Like, actually, like, this is a bit of a hold on moment. So now they be taking their bronzer and they go underneath and on top of their lips. Don't know what that did, but still did it for you guys. So I'm gonna do chocolate because it resembles the bronzer. This is Chocolate by Barry M. Where they would bronze, just the top and literally a bit of the bottom. And then highlight. So guys, this is the finished look. She's cute. I feel like to complete the look we have to get on the earmuffs. Ah! This is so cute. This is the finished look. How do you guys like the look? This is how the cold girl makeup look would look on us girlies of color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like to see me do more looks, then let me know. I had to jump on this one because I had to show you guys how it would look. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment down below what other makeup looks and what other videos you'd like to see from me. Please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you like the video as always, and please make sure you turn your post notifications on so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching today's video, my loves. I love you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Wishing you happiness and yeah, bye.